Welcome back. In the last lesson, we talked about how to build a financial plan to help you achieve your goals. Now it's time to zoom in on one of the most important parts of that plan, your budget. Budgeting is the foundation of financial control. It's how you make sure your money is working for you, not the other way around. So, let's dive into how budgeting works and how you can use it to manage your expenses more confidently. A budget is simply a plan for how you will spend and save your money. It helps you see where your money is going, make smarter choices, and avoid financial stress. Without a budget, money tends to vanish. With a budget, you know exactly where it's going and why. One of the simplest and most effective budgeting methods is the 50-30-20 rule. This rule divides your monthly income into 3 categories. 50% goes to needs, things like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 30% goes to wants, things like dining out, shopping, or subscriptions. And 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. This isn't a strict rule. It's a flexible starting point to help you structure your finances. The key is to make sure your spending aligns with your values and your goals. Now let's talk about some common budgeting mistakes and how to avoid them. The first mistake is not tracking your spending. If you don't know where your money is going, you can't make good decisions. Track every dollar for at least 1 week, and you'll get valuable insight into your habits. Another mistake is underestimating small expenses. That daily coffee, those quick online purchases, and impulse buys, they all add up. Over time, they can make a big dent in your budget. Some people forget to budget for emergencies or unexpected expenses. Life happens, and your budget should have room to handle it. And finally, don't be too strict. A budget should support your lifestyle, not make you feel restricted. Give yourself some flexibility so you're more likely to stick with it. Now let's look at tools that can help you stick to your budget. Budgeting apps like Good Budget, You Need a Budget, or Every Dollar are great for tracking and planning. You can also use a simple spreadsheet in Excel or Google Sheets. And if you prefer a more hands-on approach, manual tracking with notebooks or the envelope method, where you use physical cash for each category, can be very effective. The best budgeting tool is the one you will actually use. Here's your quick action step. For the next 7 days, track everything you spend. Write it in a notebook, log it in a spreadsheet, or use a budgeting app. At the end of the week, look at where your money went. This one step can reveal spending patterns and help you make better choices moving forward. Great job finishing Lesson 4. You now know how to create a budget, avoid common mistakes, and manage your expenses with more confidence. In the next lesson, we'll explore the basics of saving and investing, and how to start building wealth over time. See you there.